everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share details about the DuckNorriz. This is basically on the Telegram mini app. You can search and you can get the link in my video description too, where you need to click on it and then you will come to this interface. That is basically about the off-chain staking. Your hub for do not off-chain staking is here. Everything that matter in one place. Yes, this is the big idea. Forget dogs, frogs, and duck are talking over. Dono is more than just a meme token. It's a movement with a badass mascot, real utility from day one. You can get here some. Stage next stage is coming 4 days later. Stage 1 out of 16 at the price of token 0.0004 and 4. So here you can also check number of amount that we have staked will be shown here. So what we can get, first of all, we can check the daily reward. We can also click on it and then you can also check there will be daily reward. As sale progress, there is also number of stake and $10. There is 10 Duno. That is our balance now available in our account. There is stake, there is other option, we can go back. And then you will also come to the menu like there. If you want to get Dono token, you can click on it. If you want to get from like $5 minimum and maximum, whatever you want, you can even enter the amount. If I am going to select here $25, then we have to click on the confirm option as there is investment. This video is for just educational purpose only. So do your confirmation and then you can also get their Solana or any other address. There will be QR code and we can also pay the payment. In this way you can also join it. As this will be done, then you will also get a message of confirmation. And next, if you want to start staking option, you can click on it and there is also how much we have. Like there is 10 do know we have, we can click on it and there is staking we have to confirm. And for now we have enough, so we have to click on the confirm and it will be done. Staking is live now and there you can also check it is. Yes, this is also working successfully because the central figure is DuckNorriz. There is a cool action pucked coin. This is think of unstoppable action hero, but a duck. It's funny, strong, and confident. Meme potential is enormous, and we encourage you to use this character. Yes, here you can also check the history now, what you have staked already. And there, if you go back, you can easily unstake whenever you want. There is also a network, mean you can also get your referral link, your code that you're going to copy and share to your friends to grab their income as passive income. And here you can even check out the leaderboard where you will see a lot of people as top referrals we want to check out. There are also DuckNorriz is also having 3 partners. So you can also share your friends. You can even select your language, what you understand. In this way, you can also be one of the member. So I hope you have understand how does this work actually. If you need any help, you can also do ask for help. There is also a complete information get early and you can also get there is also telegram contact. You can also click on it. This is also going to helping you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Till then, take care. Before that, there is also a pre-sale run in the 16th stage that I have shown you. Like if you click on it, then you will check here what is the number of amount, how does this is actually working. You will also see here out of 1 out of 16. There is a complete information. The price increase with every new stage and create urgency reward for early buyers. Main goal video is really here to join. So this video was just only you can say in simple that this is for educational purpose only. Do your research on. Be ready to join. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.